All right, Ben. Opening day 2017. That's Northwest Bend. Snagged an evening spot here out in Lower Valley in Yakima, Washington. The spot we got kicked out of this morning, but we're able to get it here, and it looks good. It looks very good. Okay, let's do it. I think I just got it on my hat. Did I get it on my hat? On the bill? It's a duck hunting hat, right? It's better getting a fish lure in my hat. The Reds hat.
Yeah, I know.
It's like, Ben! Ben! This mirror is super good, too.
Yeah, you can't see shit.
I just made it so much worse. Perfect. I don't know. How am I doing?
I need to get like in the middle a little more. And then maybe like a little up in this region. Right.
My facial hair doesn't cover it? Okay.
That's pretty good.
Alright.
Right here.
Right there on my...
No, other side. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Since this mirror is so good, really can tell how I look. I don't think the ducks mind. Hey, he is awake.
That's something that would happen to us.
To you. Not to us.
You have definitely passed the fuck out in the blind before.
In the turkey blind?
And in the duck blind.
No.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Caught myself and I was like, passed out like this and woke up and looked over.
Giffen usually sucked, so that's probably why.
Landed like way off of the edge of his spread and kind of spun or something.
Yeah. It's makeup time.
Yeah. That's a drake out there too.
Yes. Not bad.
Yeah, good call out though. I didn't see the. I heard him. Yeah.
Oh my god. Those are wood ducks again. I said, oh my god.
Get 3 out of that probably. A little better than
There's the drake too. Just stacking woodies. That was beautiful when they flew by though.
Kelly.
Two drake woodies right there, dude. Woo!
Want that one? Rainy Dam. No, I bet you can get him. Maybe. Hopefully. They'll pull us 4 up here.
Four of them, dude. You got 4. Smokes,
That hand to the
dude.
right's still swinging. Hang on.
I got him. I don't got her.
It's not fucking good, Alright, GoPro.
Northwest Bend. Few birds here. With a couple nice Drake woodies. It's a wrap. See you tomorrow.